In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Google Tag Manager account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not logged into the Google account, you'll have to log into your Google account in order to access the Google Tag Manager. After you do that, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in tagmanager.google.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Google Tag Manager. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see all your accounts over here. If you want to create the account for yourself, you can click on this option, create account. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you have already created the account, you'll be able to see all the accounts that you've created over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see the account name. Also, you'll be able to see the container name over here. Right below the container name, you'll be able to find the site through which you'll be able to access the account. So what you have to do is simply click on the container name. Now once you do that, you'll be logged into your account. You can see over here, you'll be logged into the specific account of Tag Manager. So that is how you log in Tag Manager account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.